Alright, so after talking about one of the most important HTML concepts, which is tags, let's see how an HTML5 file is structured. On the screen in front of you, you can see the structure of any HTML5 file. First, we have doc type. This is not an HTML tag, it's just a document file type that will provide information when it runs in the browser. The search engine will identify the file type and know that it's an HTML file. Second, we will have to write opening and closing tags. You can write English in the opening tag, but it's not compulsory. Third, we have the head. In the head, we use title tags, meta tags, and style tags. Style tag is used in CSS, not in HTML. So we'll talk about meta tags for now. Meta tags. So again, in the head tags here, we can add any type of necessary link or references. And when it comes to meta tags, the meta tags manage your website. It's responsible for the way it will run on Google and how it will rank. All of this depends on the meta tags. So first we can see that here it's written car set UTF-8 within the first meta tag. This is a character set that tells us that there will be 8 character types of UTF. To make it easier, just think of UTF-8 as a variable width character encoding used for electronic communication. Okay, now on to the next one. So the second tag here mentions that your file will be opened in Internet Explorer. This can be changed in the settings, but if you write Chrome in your content, it will open in Chrome only. So we'll keep it like this for now. And the third tag mentions the width and height of the device according to your viewport. So whatever device you're using, the width and height will be the same and its initial scale will be 1.0. Next, we have the title tags. Title tags are used to name the documents. When you open a new tab, there will be a name of that website or document, and that is actually the title tag. Next, we have the body. Further tags that will be used are written in the body. So anything apart from the title and apart like from setting up your file, anything else is written in the body tag. So we can only use these tags in the body. Any further tags are written in the body, not in the head or title tags. Okay, and now on to the next lecture.